Mabuhay ug madayaw! I'm April Jane Daguhoy with my co-interviewer,
I'm Kristen Faith Anata,
a student of UM Tagum College. We are interviewing today the admin staff of Huyong-Huyong Nature Park to know more about her roles and experiences about her current job.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So, pwede po na may ingon imuhang name po.
Hi, I'm Angela Grace Granada, an admin staff here in Huyong-Huyong.
So, ma'am, pwede manguta few questions lang po. So, first is kanang i-describe po nimo ang kanang nature sa imuhang work po and roles, responsibilities o tasks nimo diriya.
So, I am one of the admin staff here in the Huyong-Huyong. The nature of my work mostly is the receiving and releasing of money, payrolls, and some minor decisions that has to be made.
So, diriya po, ma'am, nga trabaho nimo is pila na po ka years diriya?
Actually, going 1 year pa lang po ako.
So, second po is kanang unsa mga challenges nga kanang na-encounter mo while doing your job po?
Actually, a lot. During my first 3 months, getting to know the work because it's not really my line of study because I studied architecture and then I turned to this kind of job. So knowing this job is not quite difficult but somewhat challenging. And then second, during events, if there are there are cases like electricity or with speaking or negotiating with the clients, I'm the one who is talking to them. So there are some that are hard to deal with and there are some are really good to deal with. So yeah.
So, follow-up question po, anong wala di mo gikuha ang imong kanang course bitaw po mga architecture po?
Actually, I'm still pursuing my dream to be an architect. Just currently right now I need to earn money so that I could finish my studies.
Okay po. So, third po is, how did you cope up with these challenges po? So, how did you manage these challenges po?
The challenges that I face is thanks to the help of the staff here. I was able to go through those challenges with a head eye. Yeah. Because they have really helped me a lot with like dealing with clients I cannot deal and also guiding me in those things that I have not learned yet. They are really a good help and also God's help.
So, what advice can you give to the future tourism professionals?
With regards to
Being like this po.
okay. So, for me, maybe the advices that I would like to tell them is that keep with the trends, know the trends, but know what matters most. Because just like what I learned here from Huyong-Huyong, save nature. It doesn't really go along with a lot of trends, but saving nature is one vital thing that we should keep as a human being. But it's good to always keep up with the trend so that you would be able to catch up with the generation. So yeah, know the trends and keep what matters most.
Enjoy ba ka sa imong gisudlan karon na job?
Yes, I'm very well enjoying it and learning from it.
So, kinsay nagpa-motivate sa imo po na mosulod ani nga job?
My uncles and my lola and lolas and lolos. Actually, the owner of this place is my lolas and lolos.
So in every week, daghan pud mo customer.
Not always. It depends upon the weather and also the availability mostly of the students because the most of the clients here are students.
Kana sa imong kana 1 year na pagtrabaho diri, unsa na mga memorable na encounter nimo?
Memorable?
Yes po.
Memorable. Wait lang
Sige, okay lang.
I think there is a lot. Siguro memorable. Like,
sama.
memorable ako. Actually, this place holds a lot of memories for me because my lola recently died during COVID, and when this was still ongoing, my lola was the one who planted a lot of these plants here, and she's the one who taught me the value of work through planting trees.
Mao di nga na nature park.
Yeah. They really want to preserve nature. That's really the heart of my grandma and lolo while putting up this place.
So, ano po, dagan po ba ang nagareklamo nga na sila mga reklamo about aning huyong-huyong po?
Yeah, there are.
Like for example po.
One is the function hall. They want it to be aircon, most especially mga seminars. And sad to say, we don't have yet the budget for that because the owners of this place doesn't want loans. So I'm proud to say that this place has been put up together without borrowing a single cent of money.
So ano po kanang giunsa ninyo siya pag istorya sa mga customer nga bawal siya?
Dili man siya bawal, but we are kanang, though we're looking forward na ma-aircon siya, but right now we cannot still afford it, and still we want them to enjoy the fresh air and the nature. So, like that.
So kanang huyong-huyong jud ni siya ang tawag jud po diri. So kasi nabay ko kanang former bitaw nga gitawag nganong gitawag siya huyong-huyong.
Yes, Huyong-Huyong means marshland, or kung sa lain pa is kumunoy. Okay, so way back when I was still a child, that the bangkaan one, nanay kumunoy dran, but wala na siya karon. Muna siya na itawag siyang Huyong-Huyong marshland or ng mga.
Okay po, salamat kayo sa time. Angela Grace Granada has been working as an admin staff at Huyong-Huyong for nearly a year, primarily handling the receiving and releasing of money along with making minor decisions. Despite her background in architecture, she took on this role, finding it both challenging and rewarding. The first 3 months were particularly difficult as she adjusted to a field outside her studies. Additionally, she faced challenges during events, especially in dealing with clients and handling unexpected issues such as electricity problems, customer complaints about wanting the function hall to be air-conditioned, and a limited number of customers due to the weather and their availability. However, with the support of her colleagues and faith in God, she was able to navigate these difficulties and grow in her role, while she remains committed to her dream of becoming an architect. She is currently focused on earning money to complete her studies. Her motivation comes from her uncles as well as her grandparents. In fact, the owner of this place is her grandmother. For future tourism professionals, her advice is to stay updated with trends while remembering what truly matters. She emphasizes the importance of saving nature, as it is a fundamental responsibility that transcends trends. By balancing awareness of modern developments with a commitment to essential values professionals can effectively adapt and contribute meaningfully to their field.